air adventure tomorrow. So this is all the stuff I'm taking with me that I really hope will fit in this day pack. This is maybe a few more brushes than I would normally take. Sometimes I just take one. Here is my paint kit. I have fast dry titanium white. That's my go-to white because white dries so slowly otherwise. Ultramarine blue, my cool blue. This is homemade yellow paint. Here is cobalt teal. It's kind of a luxury item because it's a fuller tube, so it's pretty heavy, but I really wanted at least one non-standard primary. And alizarin crimson. It's almost empty, but if you've worked with it before, you know a little goes a long way. In my solvent jar here, that is leak-proof, hopefully, I have spike lavender oil, and that's just one solvent alternative that's not as toxic as some. Here are my paper towels to wipe my brushes. Gloves, I always wear gloves, and I always bring more than I need. These work well if you have a paint tube that explodes. You can just stick it in there. I have my garbage bag for those used paper towels. Here is my handy dandy thumbnail sketch kit. I always recommend doing a thumbnail sketch, especially if you're a beginner. I know a lot of people don't like to stop and take the time, but in the end, it saves time and you're much more likely to come out with a painting that you actually like. Here I have my wet painting carrier. Here are my pre-toned panels, and I've just been creating my video tutorial about using different tones on your canvases. This is not yellow ochre or one of those warm tones that I usually use. It's actually iridescent gold. Tripod, this is my new tripod. It's super lightweight. This is my prototype for super lightweight easel.